Hey guys, today we're going to look at changing the window settings on the graphs on your TI-Nspire. So, suppose we were to make a graph. What do I mean by window settings? Well, on these axes we can see x equals negative 10 to positive 10 and y equals negative 6.67 to positive 6.67. But sometimes we're going to want to be able to see a different range of x values and y values. Suppose, for example, we wanted to enter the following graph. Y equals negative x plus 100. Now I've hit enter on my calculator, but I can't see anything. It's not because the graph is not there, it's just because we're zoomed in on the wrong section of the graph. In order to see more, or any of the graph, we need to change our window settings. In order to do that, click the menu key on your calculator, go to Window/Zoom, entry 4, and you can click Window Settings. This enables you to choose the X values and the Y values you can see. So for instance, we could change our X min, so the X value on the left-hand side, to negative 100. We could change our X max, the rightmost X value, to positive 100. And we could do the same thing for our Y values. They don't have to be the same as our x values, but in this example, we're going to use the same ones. Click OK, and now all of a sudden, well, we can see more of our graph. But we can see our graph kind of just goes, we can just see the very top, at the very top, we can just see the y-intercept. On the very right, we can just see the x-intercept. So I'm actually going to do the same thing again. Click Window Zoom, go to Window Settings. I want to see a little bit higher. I want to see x up to 120. And I want to see y's up to 120. Click OK. Again, it adjusts. Now we can pretty clearly see our y-intercept is 100 and our x-intercepts are 100. Whereas before, when we had the standard window, we couldn't see anything. Now, a lot of you probably have noticed that in the zoom menu that we've been looking at, the Windows Zoom menu, there are other options. You can zoom in, you can zoom out without actually specifying which X and Y values you want to see. There are also standard zooms. If you hit standard zoom, it will bring you back to your original Windows settings. If you click on quadrant 1, it'll just show you the first quadrant of your graph, so positive X and Y values. And then all of the other zoom options, zoom trig, zoom data, just forget about those for now. At some point over your math career at UCC, you will probably encounter these, but for our purposes, we do not need them. Thanks for watching our video, and I'll see you soon.